Here I have HUAWEI Nova 11 Ultra, and today I'm going to show you how to take screenshot on this device. So to do this, all you need to do is to just press combination of keys power key plus volume down like this, and screenshot will be taken. So let me show you once again, power key, volume down, and we got it. Okay. So one last time, volume down, power key, and you have taken a screenshot. You can find these screenshots in gallery in the album called Screenshots, and here they are. From here you can share, favorite, edit, delete your screenshots or perform other actions from this list. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.